Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate in Toca Boca. It's a fun and simple activity that adds a cozy touch to your game. First, you will need to locate a kitchen in one of the many Toca Boca locations. Then, gather your ingredients, which typically include milk and chocolate. We will go through each step, ensuring your virtual characters can enjoy a warm, sweet treat. This guide makes the process easy to follow for everyone. To begin your hot chocolate adventure, you will need to find a few key items. Head to a kitchen area and search the refrigerator for a carton of milk. Next, check the pantry or cupboards for chocolate, which might be in bar form or as cocoa powder. Don't forget to grab a mug, usually found in kitchen cabinets, to hold your delightful beverage. These are the essential building blocks for your sweet creation. Now it's time to combine your ingredients. First, place an empty mug on a counter or table. Then, drag the milk carton over to the mug to pour in the milk. After that, add your chocolate, whether it's a bar or powder, into the milk-filled mug. Finally, move the mug to a stove or microwave and activate it to heat your mixture. Watch as the ingredients transform into a warm, inviting drink. Once your hot chocolate is heated, you might see a little steam, indicating it's perfectly warm. This is the fun part where you can customize your drink. Look for toppings such as whipped cream or fluffy marshmallows to add a special touch. Finally, drag the finished hot chocolate to one of your Toca Boca characters. They will surely enjoy this cozy, sweet treat you've prepared for them, making their day a little brighter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.